So, as I didn't make a video in the last 3 months, I thought, yeah, let's give you a quick workshop update. So, as I showed in the last, what I wanna call it, random stuff video, I showed you my new table saw. Don't know what brand it is. It's probably 70 or 80 years old. And well, I reorganized my workshop behind the spindle sander and a big disc sander. I put my dust collector behind it. Well, it's a bit bad to get a baffle out, but it's not a big problem. Oh, speaking about dust collection, the dust collection on this table saw works just okay, but it has a really nice big and heavy motor. I think it's 7.5 horsepower motor, and this table saw is also a shaper, and the shaper is 4 horsepower, but I never used the shaper. So, and let me show you the new workbench with also homemade doors. This workbench cost me just $50 to build, so good deal. Small bandsaw, I picked up the garbage, disc sander, dust collector, cheap OSB rack, a few of my metalworking and tractor mechanics tools, and kitty jointer and planer combination. Great planer. A lot of my power tools, and this is the metalworking area. Switching the lights. So inside here I've got this is a machinist workbench, great workbench, drill press, another OSB rack with handheld circular saw, track saw, well, wood glue, duct tape, angle grinder, hand planes and other stuff, acetylene oxygen, cutting torch equipment, few of my screws. Right here we have the Intergren metal lathe. It works just fine. What I did, I've got here a DRO, I think you call it. I paid, well, I think $50 for this on Amazon. I think you can get those cheaper. So, and here's my big old TIG welder, Sophronius welder, big argon bottle. Another welder, MIG welder. Right now I've got hardwire and C25 gas. Well, belt grinder. Right now I don't have belts for it. Bench grinder, I picked up the garbage. Big air compressor. Another small racks used with doors. So I also want to show you what's in the drawers. Here I've got a few threading dies. This one, hone sticks. Don't know what else is. Metal scraper and hair dryer or something like this. All my mics and dial indicators, dial test indicators, and the base. Well, lathe chisels, big drills, Oh, my nose. A little bit of other metrology stuff. So this one is all for metalworking or metrology. This door right here, I've got sprays and all kinds of other stuff. Well, amp meters, soldering iron station thingy, other crap. Oh, it's not crap. One of my jigsaws, vibrating sander. Everyday tools, it's kind of a mess inside here. Well, other stuff. And this one stacks, doesn't matter. So, underneath my disc sander, show you how it runs. I've got also homemade drawers. There's stuff. And that's my basement workshop. I also got a big garage workshop, but that's another topic. Thanks for watching.